case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the wake of the notorious Kent State shootings, a legal battle was unfolding. Stephen Sindell, acting counsel for 12 plaintiffs tied to the incident, is challenging a settlement he believes infringes upon his contractual agreements. The challenging issue examined in the court was whether it has the discretionary power to enforce a reasonable attorney's fee and to review the legitimacy of a contingent fee contract. Sindell claimed that his contingency fee contracts were rendered invalid due to the district court's decision to limit the allocated attorney's fees to $50,000. The approval of this settlement by Judge William K. Thomas neglected to acknowledge the work Sindell had invested post the initial adverse jury verdict. Sindell emphasized the efforts he had exerted in the successful maneuvers to reverse that verdict and the subsequent retrial, which eventually led to the resolution agreement. The settlement, totaling $675,000, was agreed upon by all parties, from plaintiffs to defendants and even the legislative heads. The $50,000 designated for attorney fees was considered essential for sealing the settlement by the state of Ohio. As part of this agreement, plaintiffs received $600,000 unencumbered by legal expenditures. Sindell was not satisfied with this limitation, leading to the drawn-out legal battle. Despite Sindell's contestations, the court upheld the lower court's decision to apportion $50,000 from the settlement fund as attorney's fees. Consequently, Sindell and his law firms were granted a compensation of $33,740, a figure the court deemed equitable, given the case circumstances. It stood its ground on the principle that while contingent fee contracts aren't deemed fraudulent or manipulative per se, there must be a balance maintained to prevent lawyers from holding undue leverage over their clients. The court displayed its command over ensuring legal practitioners act equitably in their dealings, enforcing the notion that their role as officers of the court must always prioritize over purely contractual entitlements.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.